And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We thought that it might be fun. We love games. Actually, Kathy really loves games.
Not this one.
I think it's pretty fun for Easter time, and I love marshmallows, and so I thought we would...
I like how you say marshmallows.
Don't say marshmallows.
I don't know why that makes me laugh.
I have no idea why.
And this is called Chubby Bunny. So the purpose of this game is to put a marshmallow in your mouth and say Chubby Bunny. And then she'll put one in her mouth, and we will continue until we gag.
We're going to see how many we can put in our mouth. So I have 14 and she has 12 right now in our bowl. Let's see how far we can go.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
You should go first.
Okay. Here we go. Chubby Bunny.
Oh, this is...
And we can't swallow.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Don't laugh. It's worse.
Chubby Bunny.
You have to go quicker. Chubby Bunny.
It's getting wet in there. Chubby Bunny.
When you laugh, it's harder. Chubby Bunny. I think that is corn.
You have a big... How did you have? You only have 7. 7 left. You can do it. I think that works. Let's see how many you did. Wow, that's so gross.
That's actually really disgusting. So this is a fun game you can do with your family. And just see how
Many you can do.
Yeah, and see who has the biggest mouth.
It's a fun game though. Kids, I think, really like it too.
Yeah.
And anybody can do it.
It's so easy. Now remember, if you like this, give it a thumbs up.
And make sure to subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified every time we post a video.
And remember, you can do this too.